Yeah, well I don't know King Lazarus. Plead my cause. Live studio session. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Man a steel, man a lightning. When thunder a clap, it sound frightening. Black rain fall, it no fall lightly. When you're born and when you're dead, it untimely. Lord God, pandemic, whole crisis. Where the Buddha, where the Allah, where the crisis is weeping and mourning and gnashing of teeth. The people of the world need a better liberty, so plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, they ma fight me hard. You see in a life, put your trust and your faith in the Most High Jah. Listen. To trust, who to love, it's just God up above. You can't trust family, no friends, cause none of them will sell you out. For a beer or a stout, for the kush or the loud. No careful how you talk in a crowd, cause enough informers they bow. So plead my cause, oh Lord. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Plead my cause, oh Lord. Stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, them a fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Most High God. Well, I don't know this is King Lazarus.